chicken. You are 4 simple steps away from getting rid of your sciatica pain, because I'm going to teach you a strategy that will be great for you, and you will be able to do it by yourself at home and without help. Join me. Welcome one more day, one more week to Physiolution, your physiotherapy, health and wellness channel. And as I have hundreds of comments of, hey, my sciatica, we continue to make content designing a strategy to relieve your sciatica pain. Let's get our eyes over here. Isa, please. That's it. Let's remember quickly, 90% of sciatica is usually a problem at the hernia level. Where it is born here, we compress the nerve root and we get a pain down the leg, whether it is more lateral, posterior, or even anterior. Well, I am going to teach you a strategy of 4 steps, 4 techniques, 4 exercises that we are going to talk about the recentralization of the damaged disc. That damaged disc goes to one side, it presses. Well, we are going to try to modify that disc in terms of posture to notice instant relief with the strategy that I propose to you. First exercise of our strategy to relieve sciatica pain due to a protrusion or herniated disc. Before we begin, we are going to work on the recentralization of the vertebral disc. Let's turn around looking backwards, please. So guys, the vertebral disc is damaged in this area and we have an irradiation down the leg, okay? If we have a right herniated disc, the antalgic position is going to be to lean over the herniation to have less pain. If we have a right protrusion, it is going to be indirect. We are going to have to lean to the other side to stop feeling pain. These strategies are designed for you to do them and go towards the area of less pain. However, there can always be anatomical variations, so you will have to go testing. There are no absolute truths when it comes to make this repositioning. For the first exercise, very simple, we are going to go against the wall. We are going to adjust the feet until the bone of the crest of the iliac spines are against the wall, the nose practically sticking against the wall, and it is very simple. We are going to hold it between 1 and 2 minutes. Minute to 2 times the following position, hands in jar. We are going to let ourselves fall backwards. First 30, 40, 50 seconds, no more. With this, we are already making the disc that is protruded begin to change its position and move forward. It begins to give us a little bit of slack. The next bet, I want you to do 2. We go back to the position, feet together, hips against the wall, as much as you can. We're going to lean back and lean, either to the left or to the right, but that's just to the right. Or to the right, but that is only going to market yourself, where you have more relief. If you have equal relief on both sides, stay directly in the center and repeat the exercise that I have mentioned to begin to centralize your vertebral disc and relieve sciatica pain. Second exercise to work our disc, our sciatica, to have that relief, we are going to do a repositioning now in laterality. We are going to support our shoulder and our elbow, very important, on the wall. We are going to go to the wall quietly. Well, we support shoulder and elbow. And now we are going to take our feet outwards, leaning and staying in an angulation. We fold our little hand above the navel, and this is the hand that is going to execute the action of laterality. We are going to stay in this position between 30 seconds and 1 minute. And here you will tell me, Victor, when I have right sciatica or left sciatica, as I told you before. If we have a diagnosed hernia, it will be a direct position, and if not, it will be indirect. If we have the protrusion, you can try both positions, and with that you will notice relief. Believe me that you have to know what you have, and if not, try both positions. Because one directly and the other indirectly, try both positions. Because one directly, if we do it to the other side, it will spit the movement. You will notice that the pain is exacerbated or that you are not comfortable. We must always look for relief. If we find relief in this position, we do it twice between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Third exercise for our strategy to relieve your sciatica pain. Okay? As you have seen, a towel on top of the bed, on top of a table, a pillow, cushion, whatever you have, something that is soft, and also a towel on the floor, which I am going to explain immediately how the position is going to be and what it is for. There are going to be 4 1-minute positions. We start with the first one between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Understand me? We are going to lie down. And what has to happen is that the pelvis is outside we are going to lie down. And what has to happen is that the pelvis is outside the bed, letting us fall, noticing that there is a decomptation, an immediate decompression in our disc. The legs have to be in semi-flexion. It should not cost anything to be in this position. All the weight has to be supported and anchored by our bed, stretcher, table, whatever you think. We do not have to be, as I say, making force with the legs in flexion and relaxed. We are already decompressing. This strategy, 1 minute, you are going to notice a relief, whatever you have, because what it does is to decompress directly that disc. One post between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Second post. We are going to stretch our arms as much as we can, generating a fulcrum in the upper area to create a stretching of the muscles and traction, if possible, more our sciatica problem. Perfect. We will hold another 30 seconds, 1 minute. Third post, towelette. We will simply put our foot where we have sciatica, and we will make a rhythmic pumping movement in which our vertebral disc will undergo a back and forth, a slow and smooth coming and going as far as we can to generate a pumping and centralize our vertebral disc and stop compressing the nerve root. We will be doing this exercise for 30 seconds, 1 minute, without pain, without accentuating the pain or irradiation. Finally, we are going to rest in a posture. Actually, it is not really resting, because now I ask you to stretch your arms as much as you can, 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 making a clean and a decompression with the upper limb. And with the lower limb, we're going to go as far back, 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 to generate a yawn and generate a movement. As I have mentioned, protrusion hernia, maybe you have to try with the other leg to see where you have more relief, and that would be your personalized strategy, your strategy to relieve your sciatic pain. Fourth exercise to work that sciatica pain relief. Very simple. We lie down as you are seeing. A towel, a pillow on the head. To be comfortable, we are going to bend both knees slowly, and we are going to pass our ankle. If the sciatica comes from the left, we are going to pass our left ankle to the right knee. In this position, we are going to take our leg with our hands. And simply with a little bit of tension that is being produced in this area, which is a stretch of the pyramidal of the gluteus, we are not looking for that. We are looking for an effect of flexion and slight rotation. We are going to see leaning, letting ourselves fall to one side or the other, where we are more comfortable. If we are more comfortable to the left, we will pull a little bit with the legs to have tension, and we will stay with a slight rotation to the left for 30 seconds, 1 minute. That means that the disc is migrating, it is repositioning, and is not pressing our nerve root. This strategy can be repeated, as I said, minimum 1 minute, maximum 2, always rotating to the side where you have less pain or irradiation is slowed down. Guys, before we go, premises, physio advice. If you go to a position and you are uncomfortable, do not do that exercise. Even if it is a sequence of 4, you cannot do it. You cannot do something that your body reacts badly to. We have talked about diagnosis. For God's sake, a good diagnosis, the best test, magnetic resonance. You do not have to do your tests. You have to have a professional assessment. Finally, go to your office. How many people come to the clinic after months of suffering an sciatic and say, well, I'm coming because I don't know what to do anymore? For God's sake, the moment you have pain that is beyond 3, 4, or 5 days bothering you, go to your craft. I know you have a voracious hunger to know more exercises for sciatica, relief stretching, exercises, so I leave you a playlist in which you will be able to see a lot of videos that we do with the sciatica theme. This has been all for today, but I ask for your help because we are already 1 million subscribers. Join this family, become a member, subscribe, take advantage, give it a like. It's free, and I've been told it's better than exercises and strategies for sciatica pain. as I will say 1,000,001 times, to healing and beyond. Bye, bye, bye.